Alrighty, we're walking into the cooking space now. Got tomato plants outside, but as we walk into the cooking area, what I want to be the cooking area, I've got this relegated to be 20 feet long, which is what you're going to see over to the far end, and 15 feet deep. We've got our work cut out for us. I want to put the Weber kettles and the Blackstone right in this area, up along that so-called fence that I started removing before I made the video. And then I thought, well, maybe I should go ahead and video this and show what we're starting with. And then this is my big cold smoker that I use for sausage and things like that. So follow along with us. Gonna be a bit, but we are going to make this into something that I've been dreaming about for years.